Today we are talking about a very interesting tool called MetaGPT or MGX. If you follow the AI, tools like OpenAI chats, that model and Google's Gemini have been very popular. But MGX or MetaGPT, that is bit different because it tries to act like whole team of AI expert that work together to build apps, website, research topics and handle complex projects all from the one simple instructions. Many people ask what exactly is MGX? How does it compare with big names like OpenAI and Gemini? Is it good for the serious work? In this video, we will explain what MGX does, how it works, and how it stacks up against other powerful AI tools. But before that, welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and online tools. Today, we have a full review of MGX and we also talk about the how it compares with other top AI platforms like OpenAI, Gemini, and Perplexity, so you will know which one to choose for your work. I also placed a special offer link in description that can help you to get started with MGX easily. If that sounds good to you, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use link from description, because by using the link, this special offer will be applied automatically when you use that. Now let's come to the main part of the video and talk about the MGX in simple way. First, MGX stands for MetaGPT X. It is a platform that built around something called multi-agent AI. Instead of having one single AI assistant, MGX creates a team of special agents. These agents work like a product manager, a developer, a coder, an analytics, or even a designer, all working together to turn your ideas into a real results. This team-like setup is different from a normal AI chatbot that only answer questions one by one. Now, one big goal of MGX is no code creation, meaning you do not need to write anything traditional, like no need to programming code yourself. You just describe what you want and the AI team works to build apps, websites, backend logic, data analytics, and many more. Users say this feels almost like having a development team that are available all the time. It can create front-end pages, it can connect the backend data, and even it can prepare the analytics based on your inputs. The multi-agent idea also makes the MGX interesting for deep research. For example, MGX has the research agent that work like a human analytics or creating structured insight rather than just simple summaries. Some comparisons show MGX producing more detailed strategic report than single agent system, meaning it looks more at deeper understanding than just surface answers. Now, let's compare the MGX with other popular AI tools. First, OpenAI's models are very strong for general use. They give you fast result, write content, help with coding, and answer questions clearly. But they act as a single assistant, one voice answering everything. MGX tries to go beyond that by assigning specialized roles and having them work together. This can help with more complex workflow. Now, next is Gemini, which comes from Google. Gemini is known for handling very long tasks and deep reasoning. It can generate structured reports, translate, and manage multimodal tasks like image and text generator. But MGX, on the other hand, its multi-agent approach means it can split big jobs into smaller expert tasks, potentially giving more detail and layered answers for specific projects. There are also tools like Perplexity, which focuses on pulling information from many sources and giving detailed answer. Perplexity excels as a research assistant with board references and data point. MGX Research Agent works differently because it tries to combine structure and insight, not just raw references. Of course, no tool is perfect. Some users report that MGX sometimes struggle with very long context or complex integrations, and sometimes inaccuracy that can appear, meaning you still need a human review for important work. So is MGX better than OpenAI or Gemini? The answer depends what you need. If you want simple questions answer in a fast way or everyday writing help, a tool like OpenAI or Gemini that can be very easier. If you want deeper structured reports or automated project creation that feels like a team working together, then MGX offers something new and powerful. Overall, MGX shows a promising direction in AI tools by combining multiple expert agents into one system. It gives you a unique way to handle complex tasks, deep research, and project execution. So that's it basically for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. I hope this video helped you to understand better about MetaGPT and its comparison with existing powerful tools. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe Easy Access Tech for more honest tools review and text explanation. Don't forget to use the link from description to get your benefits automatically. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.